Hello, everyone. I would like to tell you about this great app that I found where I'm able to save countless minutes in my day or my week or even a year, and I'm saving a lot on my gas. I'm saving in a lot of places, right? For example, if I'm ordering, if I am, trying to make a nice meal on the weekend for my Thanksgiving dinner, I would have to, I have to go hunt for finding the right ingredients. I would have to take my car. I would have to, spend a lot of time in the store looking for things, and I would have to put it in my car, bring it over again, put it in my fridge. And it's a big hassle to just, get your right ingredients or the right amount of groceries that you need uh for your Thanksgiving dinner, right? So I came across this app and it's called Swiggy. What it basically does is that it offers you groceries and ingredients in a very short amount of time, right? For example, if I want something in the next 15 or 20 minutes, right, it would promise me that it would deliver at this amount of time. Hell, it would just take me 15 or 20 minutes to prepare myself and get in the car to get my groceries, right? So this is what Swiggy does. It reduces the amount of time I have to go prepare, take my credit card, my wallet, things like that, make sure if 10 things go right for my final delivery items to come home. And this is what Swiggy saves me from, right? So let me tell you the way it works, right? So there's two ways where you can search this. The first way is for you to like see automatically on the top where you can see on the search bar, type whatever you need and you can get that specific item. Or the second the nicer way that generally use is having this drop down uh, icon where I'm able to see all the different aisles that like the way you would see it in a grocery store, right? So I don't have to go in every aisle to see what they have. All I have to do is just see the categories and navigate to them, right? So as you can see, there's fruits and vegetables, bread and eggs, chocolates, munchies, rice, those kind of things. So I would just, for example, I love munchies, so I order it pretty often. So I would just go on munchies, uh, and it would tell me not only the munchies that I like, but it would also tell me the best sellers in the market right now. It would further filter it down for me. For example, if I want chips, if I want some nuts, or if I want, if there's some value packs that I can purchase, right? And another very beneficial part of this app is that it gives you better than your market rates for example, Vaughn's or Walmart or those kind of things. For example, if something's for like $50 there, it would just be $46 over here. So right, it saves you $4, and it's very simple to use. Look at the UI; it's so organized, clean, and you don't have to like think before you click on the next option, right? So let's say if I want to search, if I'm not able to find something on the screen, I would click on the search button on the top right corner, and I can further be able to see that uh, if I want to find something, right? So let's say if I want rice, I will click on I would have 148 different options to choose from, but it's very easy to like if you want like a particular type of rice, you can just click on whatever you need. Click on the add button, right? Very easy, just clicking on a button to uh, add your specific grocery item, right? And then you know you compare to your grocery store. For example, you put things in your cart, and then you would go to your cashier, and then you would have to lift your uh, items from the cart and then display it to the cashier. So same thing. You would go to your cart. You would just review everything just one last time. You would definitely want to see your delivery option because you want to make sure that this goes to the right place. So you put your delivery address. Uh, I have saved it on mine, so it automatically delivers to me in the right place. And then very simple. Make your payment, deliver now. If you want to deliver later, it's up to you. Uh, and then look at the savings. It also gives me the savings option, the amount of money that I've saved, right? And then yeah, you click on your payments. Very easy again. Just put your card details in or your net banking information, and there you go. Voila, you have your order placed, and it would tell you your order is successful. It is going to be delivered in so and so amount of time. Thank you for your. So it's so easy to use, very easy to order groceries, and great for someone like me who does not have time to go to the grocery store. You should use it too. Bye.